Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can reduce noise from any clip which is shot in low light, like this one as you're seeing here. As you can see the noise in this area. I'll just zoom in a bit and now I can see the noise. So inbuilt in Premiere we don't have much but a basic noise reduction filter. So let's see how we can do this. Type VR noise in the effect filter and you can see here in immersive video we have VRD noise. So apply this to our clip and now I can see instantly it reduces the noise, but at the same time it blurs the picture as well. So if I switch off, you can see it blurs a lot. So we need to reduce the noise level and we can sharpen this to get back out some details. So go to Lumetri color here in the creative panel. Here on the right you can see a sharpen we have at the bottom, and just increase the sharpen a bit. Now you can see we are getting back some details. I'll zoom in again, and when I switch off you can see this. We're getting the details back as well. So this was one of the way we can reduce the noise, but still you can see there is a lot of noise in this clip, but slightly better than the original. So this is the much. So we can do this much in the Premiere with the inbuilt filters we have. And now we can try something else like a plugin called Neat. So Neat Video is a plugin which can help you remove the noise, flicker and a lot of things, artifacts in any video. So you can see here one of the examples. This is the original video and on the right you can see how clean it is. This is another one which you can see here. On the left we have lots of noise and right one is the output, sharp and clean. This will cost around $75. For Premiere you can see this is around $74.90, but this is what, as you can see here, when I apply this effect it will clean the video. So let's see how this does. So this is Neat Video. I can see the reduced noise. I'll apply this. I'll remove this first. And now let's apply this. So now we have applied here, but nothing is happening here. If I play, you can see noise is still there. So now if you click on the prepare and build, I can build a profile which can use to sharpen this entire image. So I'll click on generic profile here, and we need to click and select an area where we have lots of noise, just to make a profile. So now we have this 40 noise level. You can try somewhere else as well if you get more than that. You can also, we have already saved image, you can just import and select that one and apply that. So this area now will be used as a profile, so you can just click on the build profile, and now we can check it in this window. You can see this adjust and preview, and here you can click and you can see how this works. When I drag, you can see the output. It sharpens and cleans the image instantly. So this is the magic of Neat Video. Though it will cost you $75, but that is worth. I've used this several times and output was really great. So let's apply this. And I can see noise is gone from our clip, but it's slightly blurred. So what I can do, we can sharpen it. As you can see here, we have this sharpen. So let's apply this to get the details back. And now you can see this. If I switch off this, you can see the sharpen The sharpening you can just increase more, so now we have a better picture. And if I remove this as well, you can see the difference. It'll take a lot of time to play back in real time, so you can go for the half quality or 1/4. You can see all noise, flicking, everything is gone. I hope you find this useful. Thank you so much for watching.